Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're excited to have you here. Stay tuned for great content.
Top new collection cable cutting tool reviews 2026.
Number 4.
SOG 19-in-1 PowerLitre Folding Pliers and Knife is a compact EDC multi-tool for outdoor and survival use. Includes mini pliers, knife, scissors, and other essential tools in a portable design. Durable, versatile, and pocket-friendly, perfect for camping, hiking, and everyday tasks.
Number 3.
One PC multi-angle miter shear cutter features adjustable 45 to 135 degrees cutting for precise trimming. Sharp carbon steel blades deliver clean cuts on PVC, plastic, rubber, and trim materials. Ergonomic handle ensures comfort and control, making it ideal for DIY, flooring, molding, and professional installation work.
Number 2.
Specifications: high concerned chemical, none, handle style, straight, features, mini, application, cutting, is _ customized, yes, model number, HS325A520A, type, decrustation pliers, origin, mainland China, plier style, European, brand name, Lion Rage.
Number 1.
Sam's RJ45 pass-through crimp plier is a multifunctional crimper, stripper, and cutter for Cat 7, Cat 6, and Cat 5e cables. Designed for 8P8C modular connectors, it ensures precise, secure Ethernet terminations.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media, for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.